No buyer request. Do you see the same message when you open the buyer request section on Fiverr? Or do you want to know how to get more buyer requests on Fiverr? Well, if yes, keep watching this 15th video of free Fiverr series with Aisha Khalid on Ash Knows. In this video, we are going to discuss 7 tips to get more buyer requests on Fiverr and solve the no buyer request problem once and for all. So let's begin. Number 1. Try to stay active on Fiverr. Buyer requests on Fiverr are shown based on your level. If you are a level 1 or level 2 seller, you will see much more buyer requests as compared to a new seller. So that's how the Fiverr algorithm works. However, it doesn't mean that new sellers do not get any buyer request. Fiverr support those sellers who stay online most of the time. So new sellers do get some buyer request at a specific time, but those requests disappear once that time period is over. So in order to utilize that golden time period when the buyer requests are shown, you will have to stay active on Fiverr. You can install the Fiverr app on your mobile and keep refreshing the buyer request section after some intervals to see the new buyer request. I know it's tiring, but as a new seller, you have to put in efforts to get orders, right? Number 2, not the time difference. Fiverr serves buyers from every part of the world, so they become active on Fiverr as per their time zone. One of the major reasons for not having any buyer request can be the time difference between you and your buyers. So, if you are a seller from an Asian country and you are trying to get buyers from European countries, stay online at night. Your nighttime will be their daytime and you will have access to more buyer requests. I hope you got the point. Number 3, make 7 gigs. Well, it's very basic. All the new sellers on Fiverr have the option of creating 7 gigs. So avail this opportunity and make 7 gigs in different subcategories. When you have multiple gigs on your profile, your buyer request automatically increase, right? Number 4, create similar yet different gigs. Yes, in order to get more buyer requests on Fiverr, you will have to use this trick. Create 7 gigs in your niche by making some changes in each gig. Like you can change the title a little bit, the placement of keywords, the gig category, gig description, and the gig image in each of your gig. So in this way, you will have 7 different gigs on your profile that will in reality be similar but different for Fiverr, right? Number 5, choose different categories and subcategories. A lot of new sellers on Fiverr make the mistake of selecting the wrong category and subcategory for their services. This mistake badly affects your gig as well as your profile. When Fiverr analyzes that there is no correspondence between your gig category and other gig information, it becomes unable to show you the right buyer request, right? So, what to do? The first thing as a new seller is to select the right category and the subcategory for your gig. While you are creating your gig, Fiverr provides you with some suggestions for the categories that go with your service. You can take help from those suggestions as well, right? They are very organized and very systematic kind of suggestions. You can take help from them. Secondly, to get more buyer requests on Fiverr, you will have to select different subcategories for each gig that you create. Okay, let me explain this point with the help of an example so that you can understand it clearly. Suppose you are a content writer on Fiverr and you want to offer articles, blog posts, and website content writing services. So what you will do in this case? In this case, your main category will be writing and translation and your subcategory will be articles and blog post, right? This will be for your first gig. Now, when you are creating your second gig on your profile, you can choose writing and translation as your main category and website content as your subcategory, right? Now, when you're creating your third gig, you can choose another subcategory, so on. So, for example, for the third gig, you can choose, for your last gig, you can choose writing and translation as your main category and other as your subcategory. What happens when you select the other option in your subcategory? This option will roll down more buyer requests for you if you are missing them in by selecting any of the subcategory, and you want to provide service in other subcategory as well. So the other option will help you to see more buyer requests on Fiverr, right? Number 6, respond fast to buyer requests and messages. Fiverr notices how efficiently you respond to buyer requests. So if you want to see more buyer requests on Fiverr, try to send proposals to buyer requests as soon as you can. Utilize the opportunity of sending 10 buyer requests daily when they start showing to you. The more buyer request proposals you send, the more buyer requests you see in the future. Similarly, improve your response time on Fiverr by replying instantly to the messages of your buyers. Alright, the last point is do proper Fiverr gig SEO. Well, I can't emphasize this point enough. I have made separate videos on this important point. So if you want to watch those videos, you may visit my channel for that. But here I'll just summarize this point in very short and concise words. So what you can do is, when you are creating your gig, never leave any part of your Fiverr gig empty. Do proper keyword research before publishing your gig. Fill the gig metadata, use 5 meta tags, write a professional gig description with keywords, and choose an attractive gig image, right? So if you want to learn in detail about Fiverr gig SEO, you may watch my videos. I have made separate videos on this topic. And if you want to read in detail about this buyer request topic, you may visit my website ashknows.com. I have written separate articles for each topic. I hope you will find them really helpful to get insight of this buyer request section on Fiverr. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the right ring button. Thank you.